Hi, welcome back to Sational Summer. We have started the summer and we're going to do a little bit of science in our kitchen. This is an activity that young children can do, but you do need an adult because you're going to have sharp things and you're going to have fire. So we want to make sure you're working with a grown-up. Here's what you're going to need. 2 glasses that are the same exact size, a piece of aluminum foil, a pin, a long pin that is longer than the diameter between the candles. You'll see the candles in a minute. 2 birthday candles that are exactly the same length. Some strong tape. I'm using electrical tape. And either a lighter or matches. So you gather those and we're going to get started. So looking down here. So I've taken the piece of tape and I'm putting the ends, the bottoms of the candle, not the wicks, the very bottom, back to back in the middle of this tape. And we're going to roll that up to hold them together like so. Okay. Now we're going to take the pin and we're going to place it exactly in the middle where these 2 candles meet. Now this is where you're going to have to practice a little bit because it's got to be exact. So now take the 2 glasses and you're going to balance this right here. And you'll see that I have not done it exactly in the middle. So we're going to play with this until you get it exactly in the middle of the 2 candles. Go. So after lots of trial and error, we found the exact balancing point. And you can see that it is stable. So now, this is where your grown-up is going to get involved. We're going to, one by one, light the edges of the candle and see what happens. And the tin foil is down underneath it to protect your counters. And now let's just observe. Now, how many of you have ever been on a seesaw? And how does a seesaw operate? It looks like what we have here is a candle seesaw. And it's balancing pretty well, moving back and forth. And then it's slowing down. So now, looks like it's moving again. Okay, so I'm going to blow these out. And so let's process what we did. We made a seesaw out of a candle or 2 candles, and we used the pin as a fulcrum. And the candle was a beam, and a beam and a fulcrum is exactly what a seesaw is. And wherever the mass is larger on either side, we'll tilt it one direction or the other. And you know how that works in terms of being on a seesaw. And you can also adjust that by moving up or down the beam. Now, how come you think that the candle started to move like that? What made that happen? Well, I lit one side first, and then I waited to light the other. Now, had I lit both sides simultaneously, it would have stayed balanced and not moved up and down on its fulcrum. So you can try that as an alternative experiment if you'd like. So have fun with this. Please do it with supervision and enjoy the beginning of your summer. Thank you.